In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an SMS or RCS message so it's not sent instantly when you try to send it, but it's sent later. For example, you're in the morning and you want to send a SMS at noon. This is a way to do it. So first you need to use the Google Messages app. If you don't have it, you go to the Play Store and search for Google Messages, and this is the icon of the app. Open the Google Messages app, go to the conversation. This is my Sony Xperia 1 Mark V Android phone, but this will work in any really phone that has the Google Messages app. This is an RCS message, means it's the message is sent through the internet and not as an actual SMS, but you can always switch to sending the SMS later in the setting if you wanted to. So to send a SMS or RCS message, I could type the message test 2, let's call it. I already sent test 1, and now I'm typing test 2, test 2, and you see here this is the send option, and instead of pressing it to send, I will long press on this arrow here, long press. After doing a long press on the send button, I have a schedule to send. So I have a few. The schedule to send are they show me the time zone which I'm now, and then it could say later today at 7, at 9 in the evening, or tomorrow at 8 a.m. So these are some good options. So let's say set the date for today. I have to slide it like this, 8:47, send it at 8:49, for example. And then after setting the message to be sent, this is going to be sent today at 8:49, test 2. And now when I send it with the schedule, it will show me the little clock here on the edge. So I know it's sent by for 8:49, and I press send. And now I have this one, it shows this message here, it shows now with the clock because it's not sent yet. And I can hide the schedule messages. This message is already sent, but this message is not sent yet because it has the arrow. When I'm in the messages here, I could press on the schedule, and I press on the schedule, and I could press on it to cancel it, but it's already sent now because it's 8:49. So that's how it works. That's how you send the message with the schedule. Thanks for watching.